everybody! We are going to cook today arroz con leche. It's like a rice pudding. It's a very typical dessert in Spain and very nice. So the ingredients we need are 1 liter of whole milk, a bit of butter, 200 grams of sugar, 150 grams of rice, the skin of 1 lemon, a stick of cinnamon and a bit of ground cinnamon. So let's start to do it. We are going to cook a bit the rice in the water. So when the water starts to boil, we cook for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, we pass through the coriander and we wash the rice to take the almidon out. Now in the pan, we add the milk, the skin of the lemon and the stick of the cinnamon. And we cook it and we switch off when the milk is start to boil. We don't let it boil. When it starts to boil, we take out the stick of cinnamon and the lemon. We put in the slow heating, like 3 or 4, and we add the rice. And we cook it for about 15 minutes. If you use the basmati rice, you cook for less time, like 10 minutes more or less. You keep moving all the time. So after the 15 minutes, we add the sugar and the butter. We just cook for about 1 minute or 2. So now we put the rice in the bowls. Don't worry if it's a bit liquid now, because when it gets cold, the rice is going to absorb the milk. So we put in the bowl. We put a bit of cinnamon. And we wait until it gets cold. So now it's a bit cold and we put in the fridge for about 1 hour or 2 hours more or less. So now after 1 hour, 2 hours, it's ready to eat. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!